Hey everybody, gonna do a real quick update here. We just committed to something and I'm hoping it goes okay. So let's check out what we just did. And, oh, yeah, we bought some ground clear for the weeds. No, I'm talking about this. So yeah, we went ahead and committed. We've urethaned the windshield in. We'll let this dry overnight. It's really nice to have this windshield frame because we can take it off the car and put it back on, which allows us to get a lot of clamps around this polycarbonate windshield. So we primed it all up just like the directions said from other people that I've seen do this. A lot of people will actually screw it in place for their race cars, but we wanted that OEM look, so we went ahead and urethaned it. I think it'll be okay, so we'll see. I didn't put any clamps on the top because actually the clamps around it put enough curvature pressure on there to really squish down the urethane. And if we look underneath, you can see it did a pretty good job. We didn't get any schmutz on the windshield, and we're keeping that cover on there for a while. We'll probably take it off once we install it back on the car, just so we can see how it looks. And then I did a little priming step over here because we're going to be putting the puck for the rear view mirror, which is over here. So we got ourselves an OEM mirror. I bought this almost a year or so ago. So you can see it's that guy right there. So it looks pretty nice. It'll give us that OEM look. And then we've got a little cover for it. And basically the way that works is a little cover. Let's see, it goes on like this. So you can see it would go on like that, cover it up real nicely. What that means is we can run some wires potentially to it underneath the A-pillar. So yeah, that's it. So stay tuned next, and we'll show you the results. And after all that work, we actually have a windshield that's not cracked, scratched, chipped, dented, all of those kinds of things, and it fits really well. We'll put some more urethane around the edge just to dress it up a bit. A couple of areas of boo-boo. You can see where the urethane leaked over my masking or the primer, so we'll try to figure out what to do with that. This is going to be a little tough, even though we can remove the windshield frame, and that is because we have to get into that corner, but I think we can do it. If I do it with a small brush, I can just paint a little bit around that corner and kind of blend it in so that it looks good. In this corner we got a little lucky because it just kind of oozed around into a nice radius, but again, we'll color that in so that that doesn't show. But all in all, I think it turned out great. We do have a little more up here that we have to take care of, so that's another place. But yeah, I think it turned out real nice. So I'm pretty happy with the results. Only time will tell. We're still looking into getting a wrap for the windshield so it makes it even tougher. But we'll see how that goes. Hey everybody, gonna do a real quick update here. We just committed to something, and I'm hoping it goes okay. So let's check out what we just did.